Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot on Vivo T1 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open any app or web page that allows us to scroll down. Here I chose the settings for that. Now make sure that you're on top of the page like this and click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. Not like this, let's try it again, sorry. Like this. This will make a screenshot and we can select long screenshot. Now it should begin scrolling down entire page and it will end automatically when it reaches bottom. You can click on save anytime when you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot already. And so right here, click on save and your screenshot will be sent to your gallery. You can also click on this pop-up to preview it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.